What is good, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. It is your girl Carrie. If you're new to my channel, please, girl, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So first of all, this video is sponsored by Italo Jewelry, so shout out to y'all. Y'all are the dopest, y'all are the realest. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 new pieces of rings. Save yourself some pocket money and all of that good stuff, because I got a discount code and all of that good stuff. So if you want the tea and you want some close-ups and you want to see what you could get that looks very expensive on a budget, this is the video for you. So stick around, we're gonna get right into it right now. All right, so before I start showing you the rings, of course, in the box you always get the ring that comes in here. This box has the 2 rings. The other box is with 1. So I'll just show you, just for anybody who is curious. People are curious. So that's what that would look like. So first of all, the first thing in here is a 925 sterling silver certificate. So you know it's good to go, sis. So they got this certificate up in here to let you know that they are real about their stuff. The second thing that we have is a jewelry care guide. It basically tells you how to care for your jewelry and all of that good stuff. This one is your 1-year warranty card. So you do get a 1-year warranty when you purchase your jewelry from Italo Jewelry. And also you get a 60-day return policy card letting you know all the information on that. And I think it still also has some the exchange policy on here, as well as order cancellation information that you might want to know. And you know, since the COVID and all of that stuff has started, people have been being very cautious. So they give you this card to let you know the workers were wearing eye protection, caps, gowns, gloves, and that they also disinfected it with some 75% alcohol spray and all of that good stuff. So that's just good to know. It just makes you feel good, like, huh, you guys care. You also get one of these, which comes with the sterling silver polishing cloth, so you could polish your jewelry and get it to shine and gleam. So when you walk outside in that sun, you're blinding people. But let's go ahead and jump into the portion that I know y'all are waiting for. Let's go. So this is the first ring. I'm gonna put it on my finger. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up too, but this is the first ring. This is at a distance. I love the shape of the ring. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful ring right here. It's definitely eye-catching, but it's also so classy that it's not like, oh, I'm trying to come out here and stunt and stuff. It's like, no, I just have a beautiful big piece of ring, but I'm just kind of being humble about it. That's the vibes I'm getting with this ring. So take it in, sis. Look at what we working with today. And I'm also mention that they do have free worldwide shipping. So if you're wondering if they're going to ship to you, they will ship to you. They also have different categories on their website, like engagement rings, wedding rings, whatever it is that you're looking for. So I'll show that too, just so you could kind of see what I'm talking about, sis. But look at this ring. All right, y'all. So we're going to move on to the second ring. Now, this second ring is my baby right here. And do you know why? Because sis became a wife last week, and it kind of was like, yo, we getting married. And it was perfect timing because these rings just came in the day before the ceremony and I used it. Okay. So this one means a lot to me because this is the ring that I use to get married with, but you get my point. This is so pretty, and it is obviously my favorite out of the 2, which is probably why I used it for my wedding ceremony. But it's a beautiful ring, guys. Look at this. It's like subtle but bold at the same time. It's just so classy. It's not too big. It's not too little. It's not doing too much. And because you want to be wearing your wedding ring all the time, you want it to be comfortable. And I think this is absolutely perfect. This is so gorgeous. Anybody who thinks like you can't buy good jewelry at a reasonable price is not true. That's one thing that I like about Italo Jewelry, because you can have like a budget. Put it like this, budget friendly jewelry that looks elegant and beautiful. That's the vibes that I get from Italo Jewelry. The quality feels amazing. No one will be able to tell me that I didn't spend thousands on this ring. Guys, if there's some guys watching this trying to see if you want to buy your boo some rings, yes, Italo Jewelry might be the one for you. Ladies, you might tell him to come over here. You could get 2 pieces of jewelry instead of 1 if y'all want a budget, because I'm telling you, it's very affordable and it's so beautiful. But let me go ahead and move on to ring number 3. I'm not sure y'all ready for this. You ready for this? Say you ready for this. Say I'm ready for this in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We ready for this. Okay. So ring number 3 is a showstopper. Let me show them. So it's a big chunk of money. Yeah. Y'all not ready? Okay, let me stop playing with y'all. Look at this ring. Look at this ring. Was you ready for this, sis? Was you ready for all of this? Take it in. Listen, I ain't even giving you the close-up, and I know you see that this ring is about some stuff. This ring right here is a big, blingy, junky, chunky something. This ring right here is just giving me those vibes where it's like, I'm trying to show out today. I'm trying to go outside and I want everybody to look at me. This is a ring that's going to stop everybody. It's going to have people asking you questions. Where you get that from? You know what I'm saying? This ring right here, this is big. This ring, how much it look like it costs? Drop it down in the comment section. How much you think this ring costs? I'm going to drop it in the video how much this ring costs. You're going to be like, oh, yes, okay? So look at this, take it in, take it in. Now, me personally, I like the ring. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Hence, I picked it out. But I would say on the sides, it is a little bit kind of out there. So you can't really close your hands comfortably. I wouldn't consider this ring a ring that you want to wear like every day, like a wedding ring or anything like that. I would say it's more so of a fashion ring, or you got an event coming up, something like that. You know, something that you take out every once in a while. But this is not something you're going to want to wear every day because it is very big and chunky, but all in all, it's still very, very beautiful. So, okay, ring. All right, y'all. So let me put this ring back on here. That's my baby right there. That's the baby. Gotta have it on. So, of course, you know, I'm gonna bless you guys with the promo code so you could go ahead and get some money off. Who don't like to get some money off? Who don't like to get some money off? So make sure you use my promo code. It's gonna pop up in this video, and it's also going to be in the description box so you can save your little coin. It's gonna get you 20% off. So that's always a great thing. Save a little bit of money, keep it in your pocket. All right, as you can see, there's many different categories to choose from. This is the main page. It looks very inviting, and looks like there's a Labor Day sale going on as well. So I'm going to jump off in the personalized section just to show they don't just have rings. They have other types of jewelries too, like earrings, necklaces, bracelets, etc. When you do shop on the left side, it does give you an option to filter out how you want to shop based on the prices, based on the stone color, the cut, and all of that good stuff. Very easy to use. Their website is very easy to use. The men's section actually has some really nice stuff too. I like them. And like I said, everything's at affordable pricing. And just also keep in mind that when you use a promo code, it's also going to give you an extra discount. So that's awesome. You can do engravings if you want. That's always something super cute if you want to personalize something. Once you add your stuff to the cart, like I said, it is free worldwide shipping. So if you choose that option, it will be free shipping. If you use my promo code, you'll see the deduction show up way at the bottom. And y'all, just to be honest with y'all, to have 2 rings in the cart and it's only $135.56, you can't beat that. So yeah. So y'all, let me know what your favorite ring was. You already know number 2 is my favorite, not just because I used it for my wedding ceremony, but I picked that one for my ceremony because it was just calling my name. It was like, yes, sis. And surprisingly, I just want to throw this out there really quick because I always thought like I am a yellow gold kind of girl. I only like rose gold, yellow gold. I don't like silvers and white gold. I didn't think it looked good on my skin, but once I put this on, I was like, wait a minute, this is gorgeous. You know what I think? People say that, oh, if you warm tone, you can't wear this, you can't wear that. But I think it all has to do with the quality of the jewelry because the ring is beautiful and it looks so good on my skin. This is an old ring. I got this since I was 16. My mama gave this to me for my 16th birthday, but you can see the difference. I'm actually going more towards the silvers than I am the gold. So I might be out with the gold and with the white golds and the silvers and stuff like that because this is beautiful. So that is it for this review and all of that good stuff. Italo Jewelry, y'all done did it again. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. So I'll see y'all later. Until next time. Mwah.